Disabling two-factor authentication on Venmo can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to view your security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. You will see a toggle switch or checkbox. Tap it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm changes. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Venmo account. Remember to keep your account secure in other ways, such as using a strong password.